like yesterday. Now, value dates are, see, any transaction has two parts. Okay, transaction has two parts, right? Or any deal, I would say, any deal has two parts. Deal has two parts. What is it? First thing is, I will have number one, transaction or mutual agreement. You get me? To buy or buy and sell, to give and take, whatever. Mutual agreement. Two, settlement. Okay. When to deliver good, money, etc. Both to the buyer and seller, both to giver and taker, etc. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? दो पार्ट रहते हैं कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन के. Like for example, I want to buy a furniture from you. Okay, so I will tell Anu, like, see, I want this piece of 3 pieces of this furniture at ₹1,000 each, and Anu says I can give it to you at 1,200, not at 1,000. So I say let's come down to 1,100. So both of us have agreed upon 1,100, 3 pieces of the furniture, and I need to get it delivered on, say, 19th September 2021. Okay? On 19th September 2021, Anu will give me 3 pieces of the furniture and I will pay her 3,300. समझ में आया? So first part was mutual agreement or the transaction. Second part was when she gave me the 3 furnitures and I gave her the money. Did you understand? So, okay. So value dates are the date on which settlement of a transaction is agreed upon. This is all based on prior agreement. Ready cash, you agree upon the payment today and payment on ready cash basis. So transaction happens, settlement also happens immediately or by the end of the day. Tomorrow is T+1 transaction plus the very next day, very next working day, I would say. Spot T+2 transaction plus 2 working days. Monday transaction takes place. Tuesday, Wednesday, you have to settle the deal. Forward is T+N. You agree upon this date. Say 19 days from today. So that is agreed upon, right? Forward day. Now, supposing, just an example, one of the students asked me in one of the batches, supposing I transact in spot market and I make the payment in forward market. Will it be called as spot market transaction or forward market transaction? It cannot happen. When you're agreeing itself, you specify, is it going to be a spot market or forward market? Supposing spot में transact करके forward में करोगे, the counterparty may even file a legal suit against you. If it is exchange traded, you are going to be liable for a penalty. समझ में आ रहा है? जो market में transact कर रहे हो based on the agreement, settlement उसी market में होना चाहिए. Clear? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
So this is what is this thing. Then there is one more thing. Types of transaction में 5. Wow. Simultaneously transacting in 2 markets, which means, say, I will buy in spot market and get into a forward deal also, right? Spot market में क्या करना है? मैं आज डील डाल देती हूँ, 2 दिन में मेरे को स्टॉक आ जाएगा या करेंसी आ जाएगा. And forward market, 30 days hence I will sell this same stock which I bought in forward market. That is called as swap transaction. समझ में आ रहा है? For the same commodity, यही स्टॉक को मैंने आपसे फर्नीचर फॉरवर्ड में लिया, राइट? और स्पॉट मार्केट में मैं बेच भी सकती हूँ 2 दिन के बाद, बराबर? सेम वे आई विल सेल इन फॉरवर्ड मार्केट, 19 डेज के बाद आपको डिलीवरी देने का मैंने वादा किया है, और स्पॉट मार्केट में जाके खरीद रही हूँ मैं 300 रुपया पर स्टॉक बेसिस में. 19 days hence I got into a forward contract. Today I'm getting it at 280. Shall I buy it? So 20 rupees gain hota hai. Following all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So simultaneously transacting in 2 markets, namely buy in spot and sell in forward or futures. Or buy in forward, sell in spot. आज बेच के फॉरवर्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी डीलिंग रख सकती हूँ खरीदने का. समझ में आ रहा है? So that is how it works. Yesterday we were seeing about two-way quotes and one-way quotes. Correct? दोनों डिस्कस करेंगे. We will go to cross currency rate. ठीक है? Now when I say quote, I will say E 1.1685 is equal to USD 1. ठीक है? Then I will say CHF 1.3785, okay, is equal to USD 1. Are you following, all of you? Are you following here?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, what is cross currency rate? And can I write this in American code? Same problem. कैसे लिखा था हमने कल? हमने बोला CAD USD. ओके, ऐसे लिखा था. 1 वाला पीछे आया था. जो करेंसी में इनडायरेक्ट है वो पीछे आया था. याद है आपको? 1685. Anu, pay attention here. Okay. CHF.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of CHF per USD. Logic ऐसा है. Some books write it other way also. No hard and fast rules. Okay. He is going to be 1.37. 780. ठीक है? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can I get CHF and CAD? CHF 1 is equal to CAD question mark. ये करने का easy है कि difficult है? Following all of you, I want only these two. I want to eliminate this. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Problem says I want to eliminate my USD out. I want them. That is called as cross currency rate. समझ में आ रहा है? See, I have been given USD equal to CAD 1.1685. 1 USD equal to CHF 1.3780. ठीक है? So now what I will do is, I will do one small technique here. मैं क्या करूंगी, जनरल इक्वेशन जब लिखते हैं ना, हम कैसे लिखते हैं, मैं उल्टा करती हूँ, ठीक है। एक यहाँ पे मैं यूएसडी को इस तरफ लेके जाती हूँ। आर यू फॉलोइंग ऑल ऑफ यू? आर यू फॉलोइंग क्लास? एक बार
मैम
करेंसी ध्यान
रिपीट।
से, हाँ बेटा,
Yes.
करेंसी ध्यान से देखो, मुझे कौन
Yes,
सा
ma'am.
करेंसी उल्टा तरफ है, या कौन से करेंसी में 1 चाहिए, कौन से करेंसी में 1 चाहिए, आंसर में कौन से करेंसी में 1 चाहिए?
मैम CAD।
मैम कैनेडियन में।
कैनेडियन में 1 चाहिए। चेक प्रॉपरली प्लीज। यहाँ पे एक बार देखो, इक्वेशन पढ़ो। सी नंबर ऑफ CAD पर USD, नंबर ऑफ CHF पर USD। यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, नंबर ऑफ CAD पर CHF, मतलब 1 CHF कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे CHF में 1 यूनिट है। सो आई विल चेंज दिस, USD 1, कैसे डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट कर रहे थे हम, 1.3780 is equal to CHF, करेक्ट? समझ में आ रहा है क्लास?
Yes,
नो
ma'am.
मैम।
नहीं समझे? मैंने क्या किया, मुझे 1 यूनिट यहाँ पे चाहिए ना, एक करेंसी पे 1 यूनिट चाहिए। आई वॉन्ट 1 यूनिट इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस करेंसी, करेक्ट? समझ में आ रहा है? तो मैंने इसको
Yes,
1
ma'am.
करने में क्या किया, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय USD करते हैं ना हम, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय USD। डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट जरा फ्लिप थ्रू करके देखो, flip through your direct indirect. This I will keep it as it is. नहीं समझे? What is happening here?
Ma'am, understanding little bit.
Understanding? Okay. Now I will write this code as it is. Okay. Sorry. CAD. I'll say 1 point, or I will write here. Okay. CAD 1.1685 is equal to USD 1. Now there is one small thing I want to tell you here is USD दोनों opposite side में है, बराबर? USD दोनों opposite side में है, देख रहे हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I cancel the USD? Currency सिर्फ cancel करके इसको ऊपर लाने के लिए I will multiply. What I will do is I will say 1 by, I will say currency कौन सा बचा है LHS में, CAD. Okay. USD currency चला गया. This side is easier to calculate. I'll tell you how. CAD 1.1685 into 1.3780 is equal to CHF 1.1 by ना 1 by, okay, CHF 1, ठीक है? So can somebody calculate for me? I will tell you. Excel sheet share करो to show you the calculation. Just 1 minute Excel sheet so that you understand the calculation. Class, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
नहीं रहेगा, but just teaching you since I cover it in my offline classes.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट, I'm opening. Okay. Just to show you the calculation, just 1 second. Do you see the screen here? So what I will do is, I will say equal to 1.1685 by 1.3780. Okay. This is equal to CHF1. Samjha? Class? This is what I wanted. CAD 0.8479 के बदले 80 लिखते हैं. CAD समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2-3 sums हम करेंगे, you will understand. ठीक है?
Yes.
This is what I wanted, equal to CHF1. बच्चे लोग nobody else responds यार. CHF1 CAD आया? यहाँ पे तो हम डायरेक्टली कर देंगे. यहाँ पे कैसे होता है? I want.
Ma'am, CHF.
Sorry,
Swiss.
sorry.
Ma'am, what is CHF Swiss?
Swiss franc, correct. Swiss
Okay.
franc. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Canadian dollars and Swiss franc. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Now I will do for this. यहाँ पे भी देखो आप USD को उल्टा तरफ लेना है मुझे, तो इसको 1 by करना पड़ेगा, right? So I will use this quotation क्योंकि CAD का ही number of units चाहिए. Sorry, CHF का number of units चाहिए. So CHF1 आने के लिए ये इस तरफ आएगा, बराबर? So I will say, I will use this quotation. I will work it out here. CAD per USD 1.1685. Okay. Then I will say USD per CHF. Then I will say 1 by 1.3780. Okay. So my directly when I multiply LHS into LHS, RHS into RHS, cancel, cancel. Okay. Now I will say CAD per CHF will be 1.1685 into 1 by 1.3780. Okay. So if I multiply, I'll get the same answer. Same thing. Following?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this step is alternative method.
This is another alternative. ये वाला European way of writing code था. ये वाला American way, and hence for cross rate के लिए and other arbitrage etc. We will be following this report only. दोनों में नहीं करूँगी, सिर्फ ये.
Ma'am, European is easy.
हाँ बेटा.
European method is easier.
Which one? European is not easier क्योंकि आपको जैसे जैसे आगे जाओगे ना,
Yes,
कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशंस आएंगे, टू वे कोड्स में आपको काफी डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. दोनों में करके दिखाती हूँ आपको, बट इट्स नॉट इजी. ठीक है. सो नाउ आई से सेम वे CAD पर 3 स्टेप्स एक्स्ट्रा आएंगे, बीच बीच में आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. CHF is going to be, what is the answer here? 0. And just okay. ठीक है. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No. Ma'am, give one sum for practice.
Yeah, I will give you one some part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'll say copy it down. USD / CHF. Okay. 1.3705 GBP per USD. Sorry, it's the other way around. Sorry. CHF USD. Okay. And then USD GBP is going to be 1.9355. Okay. GBP GBP 2 point, sorry, अच्छा आप ट्राई करो GBP question mark. Okay. Do you want to learn how to convert direct indirect in two-way quotation?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अभी कर लेंगे.
Yes.
Direct to indirect. We saw one-way quote earlier, right? One-way quote हमने देखा था, wherein I said, say USD 1 is equal to rupees, say 73.6595. ठीक है? We saw this, and we said, how did we do rupee? Rupee 1 is equal to USD 1 by 73.6595. Do you remember this? Class, I'll do my Excel sheet calculation, paste the answer here. Okay. So I get that as ठीक है. Are you following class?
Yes, ma'am.
ये किया था 1 divided by. Now if it's a two-way quote, bid ask रहेगा तो कैसे करोगे? Supposing I say CHF for USD, okay, is 1.3705, 1.3715. ठीक है? Now identify the bid and ask. Who will identify for me? Who will identify the bid and ask?
Ma'am, bid is 1.3705 and ask is 1.3715.
Done. Very good. So हमेशा left hand side bid रहता है, right hand side ask रहता है. Now I want to convert it this way, USD CHF. बराबर? हम ये कोट में लिखना सीखेंगे अभी. समझ में आया? So जब ये करते हैं, we are going to do 1 divided by, है कि नहीं? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
ये 1 divided by ऐसे करने के बाद ही ऐसे आया ना? Yes, उल्टा किया तो रेसिप्रोकल. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या है? I'll do one thing. Oh, right and then right. अच्छा ठीक है, नीचे ही लिखिए. 1 by 3705. I'm not writing बाजू बाजू में. Understand here? Sorry, 1 by 1 point. 1 point. 1 minute. 1.3705. 1 divided by 1.3715 बाजू अभी फिलहाल लिखा नहीं है। तो whenever I do 1 by bit becomes asked, ठीक है, आंसर में 1 by bit। समझ में आया? ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। आर यू फॉलोइंग? टू वे कोटेशन में हमेशा जब डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट करते हो 1 by bit becomes asked, 1 by asked becomes bit। मैं यहाँ पे चाहिए तो लिख लेती हूँ। Okay. One by bit equal to ask. Okay, and 1 by ask equal to bit. Okay, तो मैं जब यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ क्या लिखूंगी? What is my 1 by bit? यहाँ पे is my, this is my new bit, new bit, new ask. ठीक है? Are you following? So I'm going to say, what is this actually? Can someone help me with the answer?
Ma'am, 1 by
हाँ,
1.3715.
ऐसे नहीं आने, हाँ correct. But what is the answer? Correct. Becomes ask. Ask में क्या आएगा मेरा? Okay. Now I will get this. Understood?
Yes,
समझ में
ma'am.
आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Direct to indirect में 1 by bit becomes ask, 1 by ask becomes bit. टू वे कोट में समझ में आया क्लास? एक प्रॉब्लम होमवर्क के लिए देती हूँ, ओके? We'll practice more of this in the next class. CHF or GBP. GBP is 2.6500, 2.6510. ठीक है? Now GBP for CHF. Question mark. Can you try this as homework? Can you try this as homework, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes.
So I'll wind up here. I'll wind up here.
Okay, ma'am.